Today, we're going to paint the night sky on our circle-shaped cookie. Right off the bat, because we want the sky to look like the sun has recently set, we're going to be starting with a pink blob right toward the bottom. No worries if it's not perfect, because next we're about to paint purple right above that, followed by blue, and then we're going to have a little bit of fun with a sponge technique. Here we're actually going to use paper towel as a sponge. So as you can see, I'm actually taking the cookie and dabbing the top of the wet paint with our sponge or paper towel here. You want to use the textured side of your paper towel, and notice how it's going to be mixing the colors together beautifully. I'm noticing here that I still want more pink at the bottom to really make it look brighter toward the base of the cookie. So I'm going to go ahead and add plenty more and then continue to sponge and continue to dab until I think it looks right. The last step here to creating a beautiful night sky is to make that nice black sky feeling. So we're going to paint the very edge of our cookie here, that gorgeous shade of black, and then we're about to use our sponge again to really blend that in with the night sky that we already have painted. Now on to my favorite part of this cookie, which is adding the stars to our sky. We are going to dip our wide brush in the white paint and kind of use this fun overspray technique. While with that technique, we actually pulled back on the bristles toward the cookie. This time around, I'm actually whipping the brush right at the cookie with the paint on it. And lastly, it's time to add these trees, this beautiful silhouette. To do this, we're just going to start with a couple vertical lines that you can almost think of like the tree trunks that I'm painting on. Once those are painted, you're going to see me actually paint almost like a little arrow top there to that center tree. That is the design that we're going to be replicating the entire way down each side of the trees. Almost like a large arrow pointing up. Really just painting little hash marks down the side of each tree. And voila! Look at our beautiful night sky. I hope you enjoyed painting this cookie, and I look forward to sharing the next one with you too.